Row, sweat, and stay strong with the SFRW 1205 rowing machine. Prepare for an excellent full-body workout. Lower and middle back leading to better toning, strength, balance, and posture. The sliding rower incline provides for an excellent cardiovascular workout and improves joint mobility to your knees, hips, shoulders, and elbows. Set goals on your easy-to-read digital monitor. Anti-slip foot plates come with adjustable straps for secure footing. The hydraulic cylinder provides 12 resistance levels. Stay challenged for both your lower and upper body. Ergonomically padded seat and cushioned non-slip grip handlebars offer plenty of comfort and support. Achieve your fitness goals today with the Sunny Health and Fitness SFRW 1205. Be active, get sweaty, and feel great with the SF-B1203 Chain Drive Indoor Cycling Bike. Track your progress on the easy-to-read digital scanner to ensure a workout that will keep you motivated and moving toward your fitness goals. The 22-pound flywheel provides a smooth ride that helps you maintain balance and stamina. Customize your workout with a variety of different resistance levels to keep your body building leaner and stronger muscles. For added safety, the push-down brake will quickly slow or stop the flywheel. Achieve your workout with comfort with the rubber foam handlebars. The seat can be adjusted for height and proximity to handlebars. With a simple twist of a knob, you can move back and forth and up and down. Caged pedals prevent feet slipping and give more support, balance, and safety while pedaling. Don't let lack of space be an issue, as the indoor cycling bike is easily transportable with the transportation wheels. Be motivated, get fit, and stay healthy with the SF-B1203 Chain Drive Indoor Cycling Bike by Sunny Health and Fitness. The in-home fitness solution is here with the SF-RW5515 magnetic rowing machine. The efficient footprint design does not require a lot of space, making this a perfect machine for any home. Magnetic resistance can make a workout fun and satisfying. Vary your workouts with the 8 levels of resistance. Rowing machines use over 80% of the body's skeletal muscle. Virtually no impact is placed on the body, reducing the amount of stress on the joints. The digital monitor calculates your workout gains and losses. The fully padded seat and non-slip grip handlebar provides optimal comfort, support, and performance for those long-duration workouts. Large anti-slip pivoting foot pedals allow for increased range of motion for more efficient strokes. The slide rail is smooth and quiet, and the length can accommodate many heights. Storage is simple with the foldable design and integrated transportation wheels. Once you start, you won't stop with the SF-RW5515 magnetic rowing machine.